Oh. 4, 5. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Headed in. Hello. I'm home. I'm really scared. Hi, wife. Nice of you to join me for dinner. You look so good today with your squirrel skin that I got for you. You look so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. If it's okay, you can just stay right there actually. I don't actually want to I'm not hungry. I'm actually not hungry. It's cool. Yeah, you can eat my plate too. It's cool. I don't yeah, you're fine. You're fine. I'm gonna just go over here. I don't want to. Yeah, yeah, it's cool. It's cool. See you. Bye. What the fuck was that? What am I supposed to go up to it? Like I don't want to go up to my wife anymore. I didn't. Oh no. I don't want to. I don't want burn the house down. Sure. Like fuck it. I would. Dude. Oh god. I can't do this. I don't want to do this. Oh my god. Hi.